Hey, what's going on everyone? Just wanted to do a quick toolbox tour of my Harbor Freight black 72-inch US General box. So quickly go through this. Top drawer here, I got more sockets, got standard on this side, metric on this side, ratchets, my go-to gun first thing in the morning. And then go down, got all my metric wrenches and these PZs or PWZs, snap on. They're great for adjusting tie rods. Also this kit right here, got the little centric tool. Got my standard wrench drawer, a little thin because I really don't use much standard. I got these thrown in here just because I'm a little tight on space in my wrench drawer, in my pliers drawer. Sorry. Yeah. Hammers, punches, chisels, pry bars, and it works in this drawer. This one I got pretty much any front end brake kind of work here. You got my ball joint press, piston pressers, rear brake, and some air hammer chisels, some onion bits and pieces of stuff, tie rod tool. Bottom drawer, I got some kits. I got a tap and die and extractor. This is a gear wrench, and then just a off the wall front wheel bearing press in, and then slide hammer. Come back over here, got picks and stuff, more like measuring precision stuff here. Screwdrivers and bits, pliers, the exhaust for grommet pusher, and down here, a little hodgepodge. You got the Lyle Master line kit. Got a Power Probe 3. This is snap ring pliers, oxygen sensor, and then just like regular custom thing, another tap and die set, metric and standard, and just some regular chargers down there. Okay, over here, just a personal drawer, little odds and ends, highlighters, papers, things like that. I got any of my Torx bits, triple squares, those kind of things in here, the extended and just the normal length. This I have my scan tool. It's the, as you can see, it's the Maxi System MS906 Bluetooth, and all the adapters. It's a great scan tool. It's kind of the electrical hodgepodge drawer. Got temp just for checking, like see if a rotor is heated up or anything like that. Multimeter, just a little eraser of that. Some scrapers. I'm still trying to fill out the drawers in here. Getting there. This is like any panel tool, and this is the Cornwell plastic panel pry kit. This is a little Milwaukee M12 drawer, just simple. And then this is all my air tools and electrical tools. Over here, just got my charger, my Milwaukee overhood light, and then got a part over there with just regular stuff. But yeah, overall the box has been great. I've had it since February, I believe. The slides work amazing. Like, I have no issues with this, even for this big drawer. All these sockets, accent sockets, everything really smooth. And for the price I paid versus the Cornwell box that I used to have, I really like it. I like the regular tumbler locks versus the digital one that the Cornwell one had. But I mean, overall, it's great. I mean, it has the suspension casters and everything. So, for the price, you can't really beat it. All right, that was just a quick tour. Hope you enjoyed the video.